Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Himanshu Chauhan. I am a student of a Institute of Hotel Management in Gwalior, and Gwalior is famous for poha and samosa, and it is also known as a city of music. So today's menu is a origin of a Goa.
Today menu is this, and this is a papad. Diksha, please explain this papad.
We have just deep fried in hot oil.
Can you taste it?
As you can see the presentation of this, we have added red chili also
Yeah.
for more taste.
Tej.
Is it crisp?
Yes. Yeah. This is salad. Aryan Srivastava. Can you explain?
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Aryan Shrestha. Today we make a prepared green salad. First of all, so all the vegetables like cucumber, carrot, and onion, lemon, chili, and around the dish of carving of beetroot, and we add carrot, slice of cucumber, and handle of onions, and the center touch of tomato carving of flower, and lemon wedges with sprinkle of red chili powder and string of chili. That's it. Thank you.
Viewers, can you see the salad? How it's
And
decorated?
as you can see, it is a refreshing and delicious.
How it's beautiful. And this is Aruza. Jyoti is explained.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti. So today we have prepared a dish from a Goa cuisine. So this is a rose pulao. So for the preparation, first we have taken the rice and wash it around 3 times and soak it for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we added whole spices in a hot oil, then tomato puree, ginger garlic paste, and peas, and stir it for a while. After that, we added rice and added water and cover it with a lid and let it cook. You can see how beautiful it is presented, and we have prepared this rose pulao from absorption method.
Jyoti, can you taste it?
It's very good. The rice is properly cooked, and I can feel the whole spices which is on it, and peas, and there is no dry spices. We only added salt into it.
Viewers, see the texture of the rice and color of the rice. This is perfectly cooked. This is tur dal soup. Abhi is explain this.
Namaste. Today me and my team we made tur dal sorak. So the method which we used for making this recipe. So today I'm going to explain about this. First of all, we wash the vegetable and cut all the vegetable in a dice, and after that we wash the dal for 3 to 4 times and soak it for 1 to 4 minutes, and after that we boil the water, and with this to bring the sour taste we added imli pulp. Actually we have to use the green mango pulp. The reason behind using imli pulp is that in market this is not the season of the mango, so it is not available in the market. And after that we added whole red chili in this, and cumin seeds, mustard seeds, at all what the things which is required for making this recipe. So this is for like tur dal, and after that we cook till dal until it is completely done, and after that we put the fire off. Thank you.
Abhi, can you taste it the dal? Guys, see the texture of the dal. It is perfectly cooked. So many vegetables is there.
Yes,
how was taste?
it is perfectly cooked, and in this I can feel the essence of the salt and little bit of sugar that on that time we use the imli pulp. Thank you.
And this is Galarian Jacuti. Mayank, please explain the Galarian Jacuti.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, greetings of the day. Today, me and my team have prepared a dish from the western part of India, also known as Galida Zakuti. It is a Portuguese dish from the origin, but we have prepared in via a Goan flavor and taste. Let me explain you the recipe. Come here.
Man, take it.
As you can see, the garnishing is done from the coconut for giving it a Goan style. And for the gravy, we have prepared it from garlic, onion, and green chili paste. And for the chicken, as you can see, it is cooked properly and nicely. Here,
Guys, see the texture of the chicken and gravy.
please. My friend Bhadrang will taste it.
Bairang, come. How was the taste?
The chicken is perfectly good. As per the Goan cuisine, the flavors are all good, and the sweetness of the tomato puree and the coconut milk is very nice. Yes,
Thank you.
This is Alle Balle. And Isita Parmar is explaining.
So today I along with my batchmates have prepared Alle Balle. So Alle Balle is a Goan delicacy which is a dessert which is very similar to Bihari Pitha which we have prepared earlier. Just the difference is that we have not added rabri into it. Instead we used condensed milk and it has got some tutti frutti. So for the preparation of Alle Balle, we first took equal quantity of rice flour and corn flour and made it into a batter. Then we added a little bit of salt and some soda into it and made small crepes, or you can say appam like structures. Then for the filling, we took some grated coconut, added some jaggery, some roasted and chopped dry fruits into it along with some tutti frutti. Then we stuffed the filling into it and we presented it in the plate. You can see how artistically it is being decorated in the plate, which is giving a very nice, it is looking very mouth watering. I would request my batchmates to taste a little portion. So you can see inside that filling is generously filled. So I would like to give a little portion to Anjali, little portion to
I request to
Muskan,
Bankim
little
sir
portion
to eat this.
to Niyati. I would request.
Friends,
And
it's my
to-
good luck that I'm getting the food from my students' hand, and it's really a nice day because Goa is such a place where the more you go, the more you have got the interest to go over there again and again, because Goa is a very beautiful place. So I will go to the dish directly. It has got within it the jaggery, coconut, and the grated nuts also. We have got the outer covering that is called the pancake. It has been made by using the rice flour and the corn flour, and we have made it by baking just one side, that is dry roasting, you can say, by creating a layer of the oil. Now I will have in my tongue right now. As far as the taste is concerned, the sweetness is perfect, the crunchiness is also okay, the doneness is also okay, and the taste is good. I will say very good, because being in Gwalior, that is a part of Madhya Pradesh, we cannot expect the 100% perfection as that is done in the state of Goa. So if you want to create the dish that is a perfection wise, you have to obtain the things in that particular style that is from the state of Goa, which is not possible because of the geographical differences. But whatever we have made, that has been given the perfection of not less than 75 to 80%, it's near to perfect. So friends, those who are willing to make such kind of nice dishes, for them I advise to take the course of hotel management, which is a 3-year degree course and being run in the Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. So please come and take admission in 2025 batch. You can also have admission in diploma in food production, in accommodation operation management, in diploma front office, in diploma F&B service, and also MSc course we have got under the NCHM city. So you have seen that the preparation of the dishes, they have been arranged in artistical manner, and they have been like plated out in a proper manner, and all the plating, dishing out, the decoration, the nutritional value, all the things are being taught to them from every angle, so that whenever they will go to the 5-star hotel, they will work over there. The customers will have the 100% satisfaction, because we teach them customer or the guest is always right. That is only possible when you learn how to maintain perfection as per the direction of the NCHM city and Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. So friends, if you really very much health conscious, if you really want to give best to the society, and if you really want to contribute in terms of your best contribution, then please come to IHM Gwalior. Now, I would like to tell you that there is not it's true that we always get the perfection. We are also getting the negative things out of the activities. I will give you some example. Say at the time of making the food, sometimes we also burn our food. We make the quantity of the salt much more, or we make the food under salted. These are the common problems, and I will say that these are not a great mistake, because this indicates that you are confused. This indicates that you are not practicing in a proper way. So what is the key to success is practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the more you get the perfection, you achieve the perfection. So never get afraid of your mistakes. If you commit the mistake unknowingly, people are there to excuse you, people are there to teach you the right way. But don't commit the mistake repeatedly. In that case, you will be punished by your seniors, you will be punished by your officers. So friends, you are watching this particular video on this 23rd of January 2025, Thursday. Today, we have got the second year degree course BSc HHA batch from A and B, both the groups. They have done a nice job. I welcome all of you to this institute in future. I thank all my students out here. So I will tell you along with them, stay safe, stay healthy, stay jolly, stay blessed, and always do good things, always do nice things. Please let us make a pledge on this holiday that we are going to bring our country in the world market in the position of number 1, and we are very much committed to it. Thank you, good day.